Good morning. The sixth characteristics of mass media is universal access. See, the messages which are sent through this mass media that will reach to the public. We cannot categorize the people who are receiving the messages in mass communication or mass media. For example, we cannot sell the newspapers for a particular community in the society. We cannot telecast a television program to a particular community in the society. So there is no discrimination in the case of audience in mass communications. See, access is to universe. The people around the globe, they are different, they are in a different culture, they are in different race, different sex, different color, but mass communication is sharing the information to all people throughout the world. Mass communication experience is a public one. It is not for private, it's a public one. Everyone has access to it. So everyone can search an internet website. No one is going to ask which sex you are, or which color you are, or in which race you belong to, or in which country you belong to. There is no discrimination like this in mass communication. Everyone can use this mass communication. When we are using WhatsApp or Facebook, they are not asking your country, your nation, they are asking your country for the purpose of registration, and other than this, they might not ask your country. They are not giving you a particular content for being an Indian. No. They are not giving you a content which is for blacks or white. No, there is no discrimination in case of any categories, as I told you. So mass communication experience is a public one. Everyone has access to it. It cannot be restricted to anyone on account of color, race, sex, and other differences. That is the point. So the sixth characteristics of mass communication is its access is universal. Everyone can have a look at into mass media or mass communication. Okay. Then seventh one, rapid. I don't need to explain this. Rapidity. Messages are sent to the audience as soon as they are received by the communicators. So, for example, WhatsApp is a mass medium, right? I can send a message or a photo or an information as soon as I receive that particular message, and that will reach to my audience as early as possible. So that is the characteristics of mass communication: rapidity or rapid. It is rapid, all of a sudden, instant. There is no waiting. If there is no issues with our networks, the messages will reach to my audience immediately. I send it. So that is the another characteristics. Messages are sent to the audience as soon as they are received by the communicators. News items and events can be broadcast to millions of people worldwide instantly. So I hope you understand what is this rapid. Okay, news items and events can be broadcast to millions of people worldwide instantly. That is a main characteristic, main point that we have to keep in mind. Rapid means instantly reaching to the audience, and that is not a single or one or two audience, but it's a millions of audience. A television program in America, you are a great fan of America Got Talent, you can watch that program immediately after they telecast it on the television. So that is the speciality of mass communication, rapidity. Then eighth one, mass audience. In the very beginning, the very first characteristics of mass communication, I told you that medium is mass medium. We are using radio, television, newspaper, internet, social networks as the mass medium. And here, this is another characteristics of mass communication, that the audience are mass. They are mass. Mass means a huge number. We cannot sometimes count it in number. This much of audience will be there in mass communication. See, sometimes a video or a photograph or anything will become very, very, very what? Viral. That may be a foreign video, but still we are watching here it in home through our mobile phones. And when you are looking to the viewers of that particular video, the number of viewers will be millions or trillions. Okay, so the audience will be mass. In any case, if it is in the case of newspaper or in the case of radio, television, internet, social networks, in any case, the audience are mass. The receivers of mass media are large. The number can vary from hundreds to thousands and even to millions. Okay, sometimes there may be 100 audience or some hundreds, but in other cases there will be some thousands, and in some other cases we can see millions of viewers or receivers will be there for a particular message. So this is the eighth characteristics of mass communication. Then let's see the next one. Transient. Which means this will not last for a long time. Transient. See, mass communication experience is transient, which means the messages or the photos, the visuals that is in the mass communication will not last for a long time. Mass communication experience is transient. The message is meant to be consumed at once and then it disappears. See, in the case of television channels, if you are watching this television program, that will be disappeared from the next moment and another visual will be coming. So this is transient. Numerous messages and images come and go in fleeting seconds. Okay, but nowadays we are using WhatsApp, social media networks, and we can save all these things in your devices. But in some cases, for example, in the case of Facebook, if you are watching a live program, we cannot even sometimes we cannot, sorry, the visuals may be changing. Okay, so in that cases this is transient. So another speciality of characteristics of mass communication is transient. This is the last characteristics, I hope. So these are the characteristics of mass communication. Mass communication is transient, then mass audience will be there, then we will have
the messages can be sent as soon as they're received by the communicators. Then it has an universal access. Sorry. Okay. Then these are the what characteristics that we have discussed today, and I'll give you the notes tomorrow along with the video. See, I'll give the images, the screenshots of these notes, and the thing that you have to do is you just take it down in your notebook and you should show it to me. You should send the images of your notebook by Monday itself. Anyway, thank you.